In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate Zoho Books and create a new manual journal entry. Zoho Books is a comprehensive cloud-based accounting software that allows you to manage your finances with ease. Whether you're a seasoned accountant or a small business owner, knowing how to create manual journals is an essential skill. First, let's get started by heading over to Zoho Books. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you should be able to see your main dashboard. This dashboard acts as your control center, giving you access to all the features and functionalities that Zoho Books has to offer. On the left side of your screen, you'll notice a menu panel. Here, locate and click on the Accountant option. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear presenting you with several other options. From this drop-down, select Manual Journals. This section is crucial for making adjustments that do not originate from vendor or customer transactions. Now that you're in the Manual Journal section, the next thing you'll need to do is click on the New button. This will allow you to create a new journal entry, and from here on out, we're going to craft that entry step by step. When you initiate a new journal entry, the first field you need to fill out is the date. This is important as it will stamp the journal entry for the specific date a transaction occurred. You should select a date that accurately reflects the timing of your adjustments. Next, it's time to add a reference number. This number acts as your unique identifier for the journal entry, helping you quickly locate and organize different transactions later. Choose a method that suits your business needs, like a sequential or descriptive numbering system. For the additional clarity, Zoho Books provides a space for notes. Here you can insert any additional comments or details about the transaction. This is particularly useful if you're handling multiple journals and need a quick reminder of what each transaction entails. Moving on, you'll need to select a reporting method. This choice will determine how transactions are recorded and reported in your financial statements. Different organizations have different reporting standards, so make sure you select the one that aligns with your business practices. Additionally, choose the currency you're dealing with for the transaction. The currency field helps manage multi-currency transactions seamlessly, ensuring that you're accounting accurately for exchanges and conversions as required by your business operations. Once you've ensured all fields are filled out accurately, proceed to click on Save and Publish. By doing so, you finalize the journal entry and make it officially part of your accounting records. This saves your progress and updates your accounts accordingly, and that's it. You've successfully created a manual journal entry in Zoho Books. By following these steps, you ensure that your financial data is both precise and up to date. Thank you for watching, and happy accounting.